विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर और त्रिनिदाद टोबैगो की प्रधानमंत्री कमला प्रसाद बिसेसर ने पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन में स्थायी जयपुर फुट केंद्र का उद्घाटन किया। यह केंद्र जयपुर फुट यूएसए के द्वारा भगवान महावीर विकलांग सहायता समिति BMVSS के सहयोग से स्थापित किया गया। जयपुर फुट यूएसए ने पिछले साल सितंबर में न्यूयॉर्क में कमला प्रसाद बिसेसर के सम्मान में आयोजित समारोह में इसकी घोषणा की थी। समारोह में भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के जन्मदिन का भी उत्सव मनाया गया। पीएम बिसेसर ने विकसित भारत टी-शर्ट का अनावरण किया। कार्यक्रम में 800 से ज्यादा दिव्यांगों को कृत्रिम पैर और अन्य सहायक उपकरण प्रदान किए गए। कार्यक्रम में प्रधानमंत्री कमला प्रसाद बिसेसर ने जयपुर फुट यूएसए की सराहना करते हुए कहा कि प्रॉमिस मेड एंड प्रॉमिस केप्ट, यानी वादा किया और वादा निभाया। त्रिनिदाद के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री डॉक्टर लेकराम बोडोए ने कहा कि यह केंद्र पूरे कैरेबियन क्षेत्र के दिव्यांगों के लिए नई आशा और सम्मान लेकर आया है। तो वहीं विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि जयपुर फुट केवल एक तकनीक नहीं बल्कि एक मानवीय अनुभव और सेवा की संस्कृति है, जिसने विश्व भर में लाखों लोगों के जीवन को नई दिशा दी है। कार्यक्रम में जयपुर फुट यूएसए के चेयरमैन प्रेम भंडारी ने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री कमला प्रसाद बिसेसर और उनकी सरकार के सहयोग से रिकॉर्ड समय में ये सपना साकार हुआ। यह केंद्र कैरेबियन क्षेत्र के दिव्यांगों के लिए गतिशीलता और आत्मविश्वास प्रदान करेगा। इस मौके पर आयोजित बैठक में भारत के उच्चायुक्त डॉक्टर प्रदीप सिंह राजपुरोहित, BMVSS के संस्थापक DR मेहता, जयपुर फुट यूएसए के चेयरमैन प्रेम भंडारी, वाइस चेयरमैन मनीष दद्दा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अजय पटेल, अमित अलग और डॉक्टर सोना रामदास जूनियर मौजूद रहे। बैठक में फैसला लिया गया कि जयपुर फुट यूएसए 2 साल तक केंद्र के संचालन, प्रशिक्षण, मशीनरी और आवश्यक सामग्री उपलब्ध कराने में सहयोग करेगा।
President Modi and the government and people of India, let us also thank the Jaipur USA. They have been very involved in this project. Mr. Patel and others very involved. We thank you very much. And it is a very important achievement in our partnership with the government and people of India and with Jaipur Foot USA. More important, it is transformative. It is a very transformative development for the people of our nation, especially the members of the differently abled community. Our citizens will now be able to access essential services here at home, free of charge, without traveling abroad, facing overwhelming costs or enduring long delays. Many will now have the opportunity to walk again, work again, and live with greater confidence and independence. The government and people of India, and thanks to Jaipur Foot USA, that this will be a permanent national service, not a temporary one. Again, I extend my sincere appreciation to the government and people of India, to Jaipur Foot USA, Ministry of Health, all orthopedic professionals, healthcare workers, and every stakeholder whose work helped make this center possible. Jaipur Foot USA played a critical role through technical expertise, material supplies, and skills transfer, which helped make this center operational and will make it sustainable. And they have told me, in my country, I know we said it before, I'm repeating this, we'll repeat it. We campaigned and said we deliver, we do things, we made promises, and we said, when it happens, is it promise made? Promise kept. Promise made, promise kept. So Jaipur Foot USA is telling me they will continue to help us to keep this center sustainable and ongoing. Promise made, promise to be kept. Thank you very much.
And that was at the food processing plant, but even more so today, in using a technology, I would say an experience, almost a culture of prosthetics for which Jaipur Foot has become so famous across the world. So, as you all know, the Jaipur Foot Artificial Limb Fitment Camp was announced by Prime Minister Modi when he was here last year, less than a year ago. And I was, I think, badgering the High Commissioner. And very encouraged by what he told me, which was that, look, the camp is being organized, there's huge demand here, and today we are now taking this to the next stage.
Proudly announce the establishment of a permanent Jaipur Food Center in Trinidad and Tobago. Today, that vision has become a reality. With the invaluable support and guidance of D.R. Mehtaji, founder and chief patron of Bhagwan Mahavir Viklant Sahitya Samiti, the historic initiative has come to fruition. BMVSS is the world's largest organization serving the differently abled, and this new center will further its mission of restoring mobility, dignity, and independence to those in need. I had the privilege of being here last year to attend the Jaipur Food Camp, which was announced by Shri Narendra Modi ji and supported by the Government of India. We are also deeply thankful to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Modi ji, for inaugurating the Jaipur Food Camp in Maui, India, on the invitation of our chairman, Mr. Prem Bhandari. As many of you know, Mr. Bhandari has also been actively working towards the vision of establishing a Ram Lalla temple in Trinidad in close collaboration with Mr. Amit Alag, who is the chairman of Ayodhya Shri Ram Organization of Trinidad and Tobago. While his occasion with Jaipur Food is significant, Mr. Bhandari is widely recognized as a prominent and influential voice of the Indian diaspora across the globe. When we hosted the Prime Minister last year in New York, Honorable Prime Minister mentioned that there should be more Bhandaris in the world.